So it is the night before I go on holidays. Tomorrow I'm going away. I'm going over to Tenerife. I'm going over for I think 5 nights with my mum. I have family that live over there and I haven't been over in a long time. So I'm in my room. It is pretty chaotic, but I am gonna start trying on outfits and seeing what to bring. I actually got my case that I really wanted, the Hello Kitty case. I'm hoping it survives. I'm sure it will, but yeah, I'm kind of scared to use it, but it's so cute. So I had to go out and go through all of my summer clothes because obviously everything's put away because it's winter. So I've kind of pulled out a few bits that we will be kind of seeing what to bring, what outfits to bring. I'm literally only going for 5 nights, but I want nice outfits. So obviously some things are just like shorts. You might remember this top. I wore that a lot over summer. This is actually so handy because I don't have a lot of like tops that are like tight. So that one's great. This one is so cute. And it fits kind of tight, which is nice. Got this Roxy skirt that I got on Vinted. This skirt is like one of my staples. It's just like a white skirt. So easy to style. It's got like lovely detail on it there. Then I have swimsuit, like a vintage swimsuit, which will be fun for styling. This skirt, I wore that in London over the summer. It's so pretty. It's sheer, but again, like with a swimsuit or something, that could be really nice. This dress, I think it's originally Zara. This amazing summer kind of chiffon-y overshirt. This one you might remember I thrifted this, I don't know, not that long ago, maybe at the end of the summer. It's this really fun blouse with like all these little hats and fruit on it. That might be fun for styling. This top with all these butterfly sequins on them. This is like a Zara top with like roughly sheer. That could be fun for styling. And I'll move all this to one side. This H&M dress with like the ruffle sleeves. This is such a pretty dress. I'd love to know if this came in any other colours because I love this. I get so much wear out of that. So that might be nice. This dress that I made, it's like a tablecloth dress. I'm actually bringing a bit of my own designs with me to get some nice summer shots as well. They're all in the case. I'll show you them too. I've got this kind of sheer beach cover up. I'm gonna try everything on first and then decide what to bring. This lovely summer top, I think you've seen that before. Another beach kind of cover up. This dress, so pretty. The only thing I'm thinking is it's not like really warm there. I think it's like between 17 and 18 degrees Celsius. I'm not too sure what that is Fahrenheit, but it's not like crazy warm. It's nicer than it is in Dublin. I think it's like 7 degrees at the moment in Dublin, so it's definitely going to be nicer, but I'm not sure if this is like too summer. Have these little bloomer shorts. This top is so amazing. It's hard to style because I kind of like my boobs are always falling out of it, but this is by Emily Watson, who is an Australian designer, and I love this. It's like swimwear. It's just so cool. So hopefully I'll find some way of styling that. This dress, which I think is originally H&M with these big sleeves. You can tell this is already like way too much clothes. But this is just everything I've put together, and then we'll go through and see like what we'll actually bring. 2 bandanas, not sure if I'll bring them. My clown ruffle collar, probably won't. To be honest, I think I'll put that to the side. I'm not going to really have a chance to wear that. Nice little scrunchie, always handy. I thrifted this at the end of the summer. It's a lovely sheer blouse. I love my overshirts. If you've been watching me for a while, you know I wear like so many overshirts over the summer. I'm wondering should I bring some long sleeve ones as well. This is so pretty, this little polka dot skirt with the rosette detail. This top for styling, so cute. Thrifted it, but it's originally misguided. Another asymmetrical white skirt. What's this? Oh, that's that lovely H&M kind of linen-y top. I think if I bring like a black skirt, it could look really good with that. Another Zara dress. I'll probably try on both Zara dresses, the other pink one, and see which one I prefer. Staple shorts. Another lace skirt. My Gani dupes because they're perfect. And then I have 2 belts for styling. I also have my APC bag, which is always really handy. I'll probably bring that. Let's see what I have in this suitcase. Oh yeah. Another scarf, which might be really nice for styling in my hair. Another vintage swimsuit. 2 caps. I love wearing a cap in the summer. Oh, and this bag, which is from Parfois. I got in the sale. The most perfect bag for a summer holiday. So yeah, I'm going to see what this looks like with a lot of the outfits. Sheer tulle skirt. I thrifted these in America. They're like cycle shorts. The brand is Soho Street, I think, maybe. Love these. We'll be doing a lot of walking, I think, and there's like this beautiful walk that you can do that's like, I think, like 6 kilometers long, so I think we'll be doing that. Yeah, so I need something good to wear. Sequins, which might be really fun for styling with. And I'm bringing my star bags. One of my heart charms and a dress from my new collection. So obviously that's way too much clothes to bring. So we're going to try on everything and narrow it down as to what I want. So I'm flying on Wednesday. I have Wednesday evening, and then I basically have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, most of Monday, and then I fly home Monday evening. So that is really just like 4 full days, so I do not need that much, but I would like to get some like nice shots that I can then use throughout the year. Okay, so realistically we've got like a morning outfit, which will be for going on like a long walk, so that's quite like, it's probably going to be a cap, a sports bra, some leggings and some trainers. And then I'll probably have an outfit for the day for just like walking around, which I can style up and try some outfits for that. And then also I'll probably have an outfit for each evening, just so I have a chance to wear something new. So that's basically 8. I kind of need like 8 outfits ish, maybe 9. So I'll probably only wear 8 outfits, but I will probably bring more to try and get some photos in other outfits as well. Okay, yeah, so let's go through the process of figuring out what I'm actually gonna bring. I've decided to just lay out all my clothes on my bed, and that way I can see how much of each thing I have, and just for styling it's better for it all to be off the floor. So we have too many white skirts, so we need to narrow that down. Then I have this tulle skirt, all these skirts, this is all the dress pile, this is all the tops. Accessories, which I'll probably bring most of the accessories. Here are some of the overshirts. Might end up just bringing all of them because they're nice and light. Dresses, I need to figure out what we're bringing. And then shorts. Right, so we're just going to go through and start trying things on. First thing I've tried on are my little bloomers, which are so cute and they weigh nothing, so I think I'm going to take them. Also think I'm going to take these ballet flats. They're like mesh ones, but yeah, they're quite comfy, so I think I will bring these ones. I had black ones, but I do not know where they are. I prefer to bring my black ones, but I think I'll bring these ones. Okay, I'm going to start a pile here of things that are coming, so that's the first one in the pile. Okay, and this is the Emily Watson top, which is so cute. And yeah, we'll definitely be bringing this. Also think I'm going to bring a suit jacket. I'll probably wear it on the plane, but just because I think it's handy for the evenings, and if I'm cold I can wear this. I think I'm going to put this outfit in the maybe pile. It's really cute, but I don't know, like, will I reach for this outfit over something else? I like the idea of playing with the different size polka dots. And even with that, like, it would make It would definitely make for a really fun photo. But yeah, let's just see how much stuff. I'm going to see what else I could wear with this skirt and top. Okay, so here's the skirt with that vintage top and a chain belt. And then I was thinking my red earrings. Kind of cute too. I have on my Gani dupe shoes. This will be quite easy to wear, but again, let's put it in the maybe pile. This skirt is like fully sheer, but I love it so much, so I think I will be bringing this. I think even with the suit jacket, I think even with the suit jacket, it's gonna look really good, so let's try that. Yeah, really like that as like an evening outfit, so I think I'll definitely bring this skirt. So that means I probably won't bring this one because they're pretty much the same skirt. So this one is gonna stay. Okay, I've just realised how well these prints go together. This is a Roxy skirt that I thrifted with that top. So like, that is such a fun outfit. So yeah, okay, this is a good outfit. I thought this outfit would work, but I'm not sure if I like the silhouette, the way this cuts here, because this is tight. Yeah, I'm not sure about these two together. Really like this just for casual. This is that kids top I was telling you about. The sunglasses ASOS and these Dublin shorts. O'Neill's Dublin shorts. I think this is a fun casual like day outfit and I really like it. Okay, love this. Yeah, I just think this is super easy to wear and will definitely wear. I just don't see me reaching for this skirt, so I'm going to leave this skirt behind. Very sheer, but love this as like a beach cover up and doesn't weigh anything, so I think I'll bring this. And again, this piece is so easy, so I think I'll bring this as like a day dress. Also, this blazer just will make everything kind of like evening ready, so yeah. Here's another day outfit, which I really like. It's so easy to wear. Long shorts, my butterfly t-shirt, and this sheer top. I kind of feel like I'll be bringing this. Also thinking, should I bring my Zara shirt that I bring everywhere? Do I need to? Is it really a holiday without bringing it? I don't know. Obviously it doesn't go with this outfit. Let's see let's see if I can style it with anything else first. Also think I'm going to bring this skirt and not the other skirt because this is light and I love the cut on this one and I like how this all looks together. So I'm not going to bring that one. I'm also not going to bring that shirt just because I think I have other ones. I'm not going to bring that yellow dress and I'm not going to bring that sequin dress because I just don't think it's going to be warm enough to wear that. Okay, I'm going to bring this dress, which is one of my own dresses that I made. So it would be nice for getting photographs. So I might go through and maybe take out one or two things that are similar. I'm taking out this sheer dress instead because I just don't think I'm going to get like lots of wear out of it. Okay, I think I'll bring this swimsuit as well because it's actually nice with shorts, and I'm thinking like even when we do our walks in the morning I can wear this because it's got like a built-in bra, so it's secure for if we're walking along. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna do that and then just like paired with like a red scarf and these kind of red sunglasses. Okay, gonna definitely bring this dress, which is, I think it's from H&M originally. It's got like really big balloon sleeves and it's just lovely and kind of casual, and I think this is a great one that I can wear during the day, but also I could wear if we're going out for dinner or anything. And I was just trying it out with the red earrings, which I really quite like. So yeah, I think this is another one that I'll be bringing. And I think these are the shoes I'm going to bring. So I'm bringing these little flats and these because I can't choose between them. These ones because I know I will wear them, and these for like all my walking. Yeah, so hopefully that will be okay for the few days I'm there. Okay, So it's the next day. I'm gonna leave for my flight. I think I've got everything ready. I'm just gonna bring some nail varnish with me and do my nails over there because I cannot be bothered. I'm gonna use that one that I think I got for my birthday last year. It's not perfect, like it does chip, but I think it'll do for the trip, so I'm gonna bring that. So I'm pretty much ready to go. Our flight is at 2. We get into Tenerife around 6:30 in the evening, which might be 7:30 there, I'm not too sure. So I think this evening will just be maybe going to, there's a little really close by, getting some food, getting settled, and then tomorrow's our first full day. I'm hoping I get some lovely outfit shots and some content from my fashion stuff while I'm there, so let's see how we got on. Okay, gonna go.